southwest coast of Mauritius, something truly remarkable is happening. The ocean appears to be doing the impossible, creating a waterfall underwater. As we fly over this tropical paradise in Mauritius, we can see a stunning pattern in the sea below. The bright turquoise waters suddenly give way to deep blue, creating what looks like a massive waterfall flowing beneath the waves. What we're witnessing isn't actually water falling through water. That would indeed defy the laws of physics. Instead, it's a beautiful illusion created by sand and silt. The story begins with the birth of Mauritius itself, some 8 million years ago, when volcanic forces pushed this island up from the ocean floor. This volcanic activity created a dramatic underwater cliff that drops about 4,000 meters into the deep ocean. When waves wash against Mauritius' pristine beaches, they pick up fine grains of white sand. Ocean currents then carry this sand across a shallow plateau until it reaches the edge of the underwater cliff. Here, the sand tumbles down into the depths, creating this extraordinary waterfall effect. It's a spectacle that can only truly be appreciated from above, either from a helicopter or from the heights of Le Mont Brabant mountain. While the underwater waterfall is visually captivating, swimming in this area is not recommended. Strong currents and rough waters make it extremely dangerous, even for experienced swimmers. Nature's beauty here comes with nature's power, a reminder to admire this wonder from a safe distance. The area surrounding the underwater waterfall is rich in marine life, offering incredible opportunities for dolphin swimming experiences nearby. These magnificent creatures are frequent visitors to these waters, adding another layer of wonder to this already magical place. What makes this natural wonder so special is that it exists nowhere else on our planet. This unique combination of geological features, ocean currents, and visual elements is Mauritius' very own masterpiece, a living testament to the island's volcanic origins and the creative power of nature. The south coast, where the waterfall is located, is known for being the most luxurious part of Mauritius. Featuring striking white beaches, world-class hotels, and a majestic mountain landscape. This combination of natural beauty and refined comfort makes it a truly exceptional destination. In our world of few remaining mysteries, this underwater waterfall reminds us that nature still has the power to create wonders that can leave us utterly amazed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Globe Quest to explore more of nature's hidden wonders with us.